My name is Ted Rutland. I'm the Social Responsibility Program Manager here at Clayton, and today we are helping repair 2 homes with Rebuilding Together Sacramento. So it really ties back to Clayton's values. Clayton believes in do good. This is a really big part of our culture, and you can really see it. You know, this volunteer project, this team behind us here from Clayton, Sacramento, when they heard about the project, really dove in.
There's a lot of different projects going on right now. We've got anywhere from rebuilding kitchens, we're putting new fencing up, a lot of painting and drywall and stuff going on. There's a lot of need here for skilled labor at these locations. So this team here, they're coming here today, they're knocking it out, and they're having fun.
We are so happy today to be able to help veterans. For me personally, I am a daughter of a veteran, so I am fortunate that I get to work for a company that also values veterans, and with other groups such as Clayton Homes that finds value in giving back to those that have sacrificed so much for us. Rebuilding Together Sacramento's mission is to help those that, for whatever reason, cannot help themselves, whether it be money or capability. We believe all residents should be able to live in safe and healthy and comfortable homes. Volunteers are incredibly important to Rebuilding Together. We could not do this without people like Clayton Homes and others from the community that just want to do good. It is important from the funding side as well as the volunteer side, and quite frankly, the compassion side.
This whole experience has been really just heartwarming to see, and it's just been great, again, to see the pride that these team members have taken in the project.
It makes me feel good knowing that, I can actually help improve somebody's life. It gives a little bit of camaraderie too, especially with all the team members, because we do work in different departments and we may not see or talk to each other every day, but to be able to come out here and interact with some people that you don't normally on a daily basis, I feel like it brings our team just a little bit closer together.